Why jingle bell inna your belly, jingle bell inna your belly, make bad man. Jingle bell inna your belly, jingle bell inna your belly. Me I wonder if you catch my drift. Your body I'm a Christmas gift.
Good morning, you guys, and Merry Christmas Eve! OMG, it's finally here. It's Christmas Eve. Oh my god, I only have 5 minutes, but damn, god, the lighting is so terrible. But anyways, I just in the car. I just left. Yes, thank you. I just left from up a mommy to pick up the thing for the stuff for Marlon's mom, and then now I'm right across the street from her. I just stopped at the grocery store to pick up the stuff for my Sunday dinner. We're gonna get our pig's tail and our chicken foot and our turkey neck to make our rice and stew peas. So yeah. What the hell is this car doing? Like, I need to go. So yeah, I'm gonna go home and make my stew peas. I've been dying to make my stew peas. My mom was like, you should have had the pig's tail for a long time. I suck and whatever. Then I have to go boil it. So like, I do that with selfish, so it no matter. So I'm going home now to do that, and then just really clean and start prepping my stuff for tomorrow. I should have taken out the ham from. It's alright. I can't take it out right now and marinate that and stuff. Just like kind of season it up, not really put my marinade on it or whatever. Or yeah, I could probably put my marinade on it and then just save the rest of it for tomorrow. Yeah. Oh well, I'm gonna cook, so I'll be able to cook with you guys. We can have a Zoe's authentic kitchen today. I've never made stew peas before, so I'm really nervous. But how bad can it be? Remember, rice and peas out of wild, so it cannot be that bad. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. So I'm in the process of making my rice. My rice and peas. Well, technically, my stew peas. So currently I have my peas and my pig's tail. Ross. Yes, goody. Do you see that? Oh shit. Okay. So I'm following my mom's instructions, and so I make the peas and the pig's tail boil out first. It's been in here for a while, but the pig's tail hard and the peas, as you want to know, peas hard. So I make that one boil out for a little bit, but let me check it. All right, so while I make that boil out for like another 10-15 minutes, because the pig's tail is soft, but the peas are still kind of hardish. They're almost there, but they're still kind of hardish. I had my turkey neck. It's in some vinegar and some lime, and then I have my chicken foot there as well, and then I have my little dumpling here for the spinners and stuff like that. So I'm gonna add my little garlic. I'm gonna add my ginger in there. So I'm gonna add that. Make that go on for like the next 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my chicken foot and my chicken neck in there, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut milk them time too and stuff, and then yeah, so yeah, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm making pig's tail. Like I can't speak. I'm gonna come back. All right guys, so my garlic is chopped. So I'm gonna put this into my pot. I already added some pimento, so, and then I'm not really a ginger fan, so I'm just have then 2 little stick of ginger. I'm gonna fling them in there, and that's as much ginger I need. Sorry if I'm supposed to dash more, but I'm not putting any more in there. Yeah, now that those 3 ingredients are in there. Yes, good. I can smell it. It smells like Jamaica. It smells like my daddy's kitchen. My daddy is the one who makes stew peas. My mom was, I never really I had it like a couple times, but not as often as I have it like when I see my daddy. Like my daddy, he makes it for me all the time because this is what I like. Yes. And this is exactly how he would make it with pig's tail, turkey neck, and chicken foot. Like if your stew peas don't have more than 3 meats in there, what is it saying? Or at least 3. What is it saying? Okay, so I'm gonna make that now. Go and cook down now more for a little bit, because as I said, my peas are still, let's see, oh, this one's softer. Yeah, it's still kind of toughish. Some of them still kind of tough. Yeah, so I'm not going for one next. Actually, you know what? Because when I reach, I'm gonna put in the other meats right now. So give me 1 second and I'll be right back. All right, we're back. All right, so I'm gonna add in my chicken foot. Gross. I think I need a bigger pot. My neck. Okay, yeah, for sure. So I'm gonna let this just bubble for a little bit. Let it bubble for a little bit while I switch pots. Nothing is fitting in here. Do you see? I need to switch it over to this pot where it's a little bit deeper and wider in there. Deeper and wider in there. Oy, we don't want the food to be too tight where it cannot cook. You know, this is something that should not be tight. Yeah? Okay. So yeah. And we'll be right back. We're back. It's time to add the dumpling. Let me just go add little spinners. You guys, and it's so nice and thick and stuff, and it smells like stew peas. Oh my god. I'm just gonna add a little tips of water. Add a little tips more. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Alright, this one's done. Oh my god, you guys! Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself! Okay. Okay, fam. Alright, so while that is going on, I'm gonna add my pepper mescallion and my onion. And I'm gonna season up my food. I think it's pretty much done. So I'm gonna paprika pepper. My pimento's already in there. My thyme is already in there. Got some Maggi. Okay. Some salt. If only you guys could smell it, and I'm not just saying that to say that. This shit smells so good. Okay, so while that's going, guys, look at outside. Like, look at freaking outside. Look at the traffic. Like, it's gonna be a white Christmas, but bruh, like, for the last 2 weeks, mere snow. So I hope we're getting all this snow now, so that in the next, for the rest of the winter, we ain't getting shit. Who the hell's going back outside? Not I. No. Anyways. Ow. Done. Hold on. And my rice done. I'm gonna share my dinner and eat and start clean, because that's all that I have to do for the rest of the day. I am done. My ham is thawing out. So once that done thaw out, we'll go upon that and get that ready for tomorrow. And then I just gotta wake up tomorrow morning and get myself ready and be Santa Claus and deliver presents and all of that stuff. But yeah, it's Christmas Eve, you guys. This is the end result of my tree. Can't wait to see everything, actually. Yeah, end result. You know, let me plug in my tree. So yeah, everything's done. But ta-da! I feel so accomplished. So proud of you, Zoe. Another successful, great Christmas year for you, yes. And this year really wasn't that stressful, except for getting something for Zari and Anton, which is Marlon's brother, little brother. So yeah, that's about it. So I don't know if I'm gonna be coming back, but if I do, I will catch you guys. If not, I will see you guys in day 25. I will see you guys on Christmas. I hope everything is going great for you guys. I hope you guys are getting all your last minute shopping done. I mean, in Toronto, everything is pretty much closing at like 5, 6 o'clock, so you don't have that much more time. It's like after 4, almost 5 right now. So yeah, it's here, guys. It's here. If you're not prepared, I'm sorry. I don't know what to say, but it's here. So catch you guys later. Bye.
Just like when Christmas a come.